Hi, this is Kodo from Kodoan. You can find out more about me at kodoan.com. That's Kodoan.com. I want to make a couple of quick videos about woodworking on the cheap. These are dollar store deals and sometimes fails. I'm in the workshop. I do have my air filtration going. I hope that's not too annoying for some people. Diving right into it, paintbrushes. A lot of times you will use paintbrushes for things other than paint, whether that's applying glue, epoxy resin, whatever. Most of you are familiar with these chip brushes. You can usually get these pretty cheap for, a lot of times a pack of like 5 or 10 for $1. But I did find some of these at the dollar store. I would classify this as half a deal, half a fail. These are really great if you give them a haircut like that, and then they're great for applying glue. That's what I use them for. So these are like half a deal, half a fail. I think they can be used. Then these right here, pretty much the exact same stuff, but a bigger pack. This is what, 6 in here? 2, 4, 5 in here, and 3. No, it's originally 4 in here. I'd call these half a deal, half a fail. These right here are the Harbor Freight specials. Harbor Freight, I know a lot of the snobs that make 6 figures turn their nose at Harbor Freight, but the rest of us who don't make 6 figures definitely use Harbor Freight whether we like it or not. So yeah, these I got they were on sale at Harbor Freight for 99 cents. And they were 85 cents out the door with a coupon, with a 20% Harbor Freight coupon. So they're literally less than $1. These are a considerable step up from these. They're not the absolute best brush that you're gonna get. If you're doing some really awesome work, I suppose go spend $8 on a brush or $20 on a brush. But for me, these pretty much do everything I ask a paintbrush to do. Whether it's applying epoxy resin, glue, paint, you name it, these really come in handy. Not to be outdone with that, sometimes when you are making drawer cases, doing fine work, you will need smaller paintbrushes. I do some fairly delicate work. I make shakuhachi flutes, giotti, there's a 2-piece, and inlaying the inlay here, and the rattan binding, and the nakatsuki joint, stuff like that. I'll need a fine paintbrush, and these work great for that. Same brand. This one is natural hair. This one's a nylon. This one's great for glue. This one's great for paint, the natural hair. And it has this type versus this type. Very similar to the Japanese style sumie calligraphy brushes. So great deal. So we're just going to cover paintbrushes today, but do not discount. Do not discount the discount stores. Do not discount the dollar stores. A lot of times you'll find these on clearance at places like Walmart, stuff like that. They're great for a variety of uses. Hope this video has been helpful to you guys. If you can, please like and subscribe, all that social media stuff. Find out more about me at kodoan.com, Kodoan.com. Talk to you guys later. Bye.